Welcome back. In today's session, we are moving from basic structures to the elements that actually make a building functional: doors, windows, and openings. Many people just place these components, but today I'm going to show you how to host them correctly, manage sill heights, and using family for wall openings or edit profile tool for custom openings. Whether you are working on a residential project or a commercial shell, getting these hosted families right is the key to a clean beam model. So let's dive in. We will first create doors in Revit. Doors are the hosted families. Means we cannot place it in air. We have to host it on the walls. To create a door, go to Architecture tab and press Door. You can type DR from keyboard. As explained earlier, this is your type selector. You can select any door from here. I will select 3 by 8. If you need any other size, you can change from edit type. For example, I need 3 feet 6 inches door for entrance. So I will go to the edit type, duplicate, then rename the size 3 feet 6 inches. Okay. And then from dimensions, I will change the width to 3 feet 6 inches and then press OK. Now I have created door with 3 feet 6 inches width and height of 8 feet. Then hover over your mouse to the wall, and to flip from left to right or from inside to outside, press space and then press escape 2 times. If you click the door, then it will give you temporary dimension. You can change it, like I want to keep it 3 inch from the end of the wall. If you want to change the setting of the temporary dimensions, I have already explained. Go to the Manage tab, Additional Settings, Annotations, Temporary Dimensions, and from here, Door and Window Settings of Temporary Dimension, choose Center Line, and then OK. But I will recommend you to choose Openings. I will choose Openings and then click OK. So we have created our entrance door of 3 feet 6 inches by 8 feet. Now let's create more doors for interior. Press DR from keyboard and then select the doors. I want to place 3 feet doors for bedrooms, for this bedroom and for this bedroom. Then from type selector, choose the door 3 feet by 8 feet. And then hover your mouse to the location and press space if you want to change or flip it, and then place it. Similarly, place it here. Then select and change the temporary dimension. Then it's fine, 3.5. If you want to align this door with this door, then type AL from keyboard. This is the align tool. Then select where you want to align and the second one what you want to align. These doors are perfectly aligned. Then escape 2 times. Now create 2.5 feet doors for bathrooms and laundries. Press DR and then select 2 feet 6 inches by 8 feet door here, and then press escape. Similarly here. For temporary dimensions, press it as 3 inch for this, sorry, 3 inch. Perfect. We have bathroom here too. Then if you want to create same door, then there is a tip. Select that door and press CS. That is create similar shortcut, that you want to create similar thing anywhere else. And then you can create this door here. Press escape space and then make it till here temporary dimension and put 3 inch. Enter. Also we want door here CS. Now again AL align here. What you want to align here. So we have created the doors. One other thing to place a doors is door tags. If you want to place a tag with door, then press DR, and from here there is an option of tag on placement. Means whenever you place a door, then it will place a tag on it. Let's try. For example, I want to create, sorry, let me delete one, then press DR, tag on placement is on, and then I will here. You can see there is a tag of door. I can rename it as D uh, D03. Enter. And then to align. You can move this tag by selecting it and moving it to downwards or upwards. Another way to create a tag is to go to Annotate tab. This is tag by category or tag all. You can tag by category by tagging each element, or you can tag all by tagging all the elements, all the families of a similar element. Then we will go for tag all. From here, I will select door tags and then apply, then OK. As you can see, all the tags are placed here. You can rename as I renamed before. This will be D01, enter, and you can rename others also. So one door is left now, that is the sliding door. We'll place it on the front here. So we don't have the sliding door in the Revit file. So to insert that, we will go to the insert and then load family. And from here, these are my families. And from here, I will go to openings and doors and select the sliding door. And then open. Override the existing. Press DR from keyboard, and from here, we need a size of 14 by 8. Perfect. So I will place in the center. That's perfect. That's okay. So we have placed all the doors in our Revit project. We can see these doors in 3D model by going to 3D view and then by rotating the model to see all the doors. If you can see, our doors are here. Now let's create windows in Revit. Windows are very important for building because it enables natural lighting, ventilation, and a visual connection to the outside. It also defines the building aesthetics, facade, and energy efficiency. Create window, go to Architecture tab and press Window. You can press WN from keyboard. You have to see the sill height. It is very important. I want to keep the lintel height same for the windows and the doors. The lintel height for the door is 8 feet. So I want same 8 feet for the windows also. So as you can see, my window is 6 by 6. I want to use this window in my bedrooms, bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. So the height is 6 feet. I will use the sill height 2 feet so that the lintel level will be total 8 feet. We can also say that head height. So I will place one window here in the center of this wall and one in the center of this wall. If you can see, the tag on placement is on, so our tags are here also. Escape 2 times. If we want to change the size of the window, we can. Click the window, go to edit type and duplicate and then rename. For example, I want 8 feet by 6 feet. Okay, and then keep the width 8 feet, enter. Okay, your 8 feet window is ready. Let's create other windows for bathrooms. Press WN and then select window for bathroom. I want fixed window of 4 by 3 for our bathrooms, bath 1 and bath 2. I will place it here in the center, but I will change the sill height to 5 feet. Enter. Is in the center. Okay. Similarly, I will place here. If you can see, we can't see these windows. So the problem is here the view range. We will press VR and then from cut plane, we will keep it more than 5 feet. I will keep it 5 feet 2 inches. Apply. Okay. Now you can see the windows. You can change the position by temporary dimensions. This is fine. I want to keep it 2 feet 4 inches. That's okay. Another window is here for the kitchen. I will press WN from keyboard and I want 5 feet by 4 feet 6 inches window. This one. For window, we will keep the sill height 3 feet 6 inches. Enter. Sorry. 3 feet 6 inches. We'll press. We will keep it 5 feet 2 inches. That's you can rename the tag. We have fixed windows with the zero sill height here, here, and here. For this, press WN and then go to the fixed window from type selector. 2 by 8 I need here. Temporary dimension 1 feet 2 inches. Enter. Again WN. I will see 5 by 8. Sorry, sill height will be 0. 3 feet 7 inches from this door. Now we can place this similar window here by using mirror command. Press mirror, then on the center, this is the center. We can create similar windows like this also. We also have fixed windows above these windows and this door in the front elevation. To go to the front elevation, click south and we can add windows here, here and here. So create window, press WN and select 5 by 3 window and keep it here. We want sill level at 11, but now we are creating on elevation, so we will place first and remove the tag, delete. Press AL to align, click where to align, click which area you want to align. It is aligned perfectly. Now change the sill height, click and from here 11 feet, enter. It is 11 feet. Create similar window, click it and then mirror from the center, mirror it to the again AL align, where to align and with to align. Perfect. Now third window, press WN and select this window 14 by 3. Press it here, delete the tag, then align AL here, here, and select and change the sill height to 11 feet. And now we have created all the windows. You can see other elevations also, like this. You can see the head height is the same for the clean elevations here also. Now let's see how to create openings in the wall. Openings are for the entrance purposes or for aesthetic purpose we can use, and for the accessibility also. To create opening, I want to create opening of 6 feet by 8 feet in the center of this wall for the entrance. So I will go to the 3D view, and this is the position, and then go to the openings and then the wall section, wall openings. Click here, and then we will draw a rectangle here. Click at the first point and click on the last point. This is the random rectangle. Then we will set the constraints. I will click it and go to the constraints, and base offset would be 0. Top offset would be, total height is 16 feet though, so we will use minus 8 feet. Enter. Minus 8 means 8 feet from the top to the bottom. So this is minus 8 feet height, and then this length would be 6 feet. Enter. And from this wall I will keep it 2 feet 3.5 inch. Enter. So this is in the center of the this wall for the entrance. This was the first method. We have two methods more. Then I will delete it and explain you the second method. For this, double click on the wall and choose a rectangle and make a rectangle of 6 by 8. This is 6, and this would be 8 feet. And we will remove this line because we have bottom line. Delete. We cannot duplicate the lines, overlap the lines. And we want to keep it in the center. So from this, it would be 2 feet 3.5 inch. Enter. And then again we will keep it 6 feet. Enter. Now it is perfectly on the center, but we don't want this line because we want to create a hole. So we will use split element. You can press SL from keyboard and then click in the center or anywhere, and then we will use trim. You can press TR from keyboard, choose this, and then click this line and the line you want to keep. Again this line and the line you want to keep, and then we will check the green arrow. That's it. We have made this opening. Again I will delete it. If you want to delete this opening, you have to click the wall and then reset profile. So this profile is reset. Third method is by creating the door family of the opening. So it would be a door family created in the family template, and we will load it and then use it here. So I will press DR from keyboard and then choose opening. We want 6 by 8. Select, then I will use here. Sorry, Control C. We will go to the ground floor and then use DR, then use it here. We'll use sill height 0 in the center. That's it. It will give a tag, but you don't have to give the tag. Delete it. Then DR, or you can duplicate it. Tag on placement, I will off it and I will use it here in the center. This is the cabinets, but for now I'm using the openings. I don't have the families for the cabinets. And then DR, I want 3 feet by 8 feet. 3 feet by 8 feet. This is 3 feet by 8 feet. I will place it here in the center, and here 3 feet 6 inches I want. 3 feet 6 inches, and these are also cabinets. So perfect. I have created these 4 openings for our project. Thank you so much. That's all from my side. We'll see you in the next tutorial.